today like? Final Comic-Con, the final season? What are the emotions like?
I am at the brink of tears, even now. we are all emotional. I don't want to say emotional wrecks. We are just emotional.
So what's your biggest hope for next season? What do you? I mean, that's a huge question. I know.
It's an amazing question. I have
both for your character and for the show in general.
This is the people pleaser in me, but I just want to do our fans proud. Like, I just want them to feel like they have closure and they have the show has a legacy that speaks to people, and I think the legacy of the show is really what I want to get out of it, is like something strong and impactful that really puts a nice button on the end of the story and makes people feel better.
If your character survives and you were able to choose any of the other DC shows, even just guest star, which one would you choose?
Legends. I love Legends.
With no hesitation.
No, I love it. First of all, a lot of my friends are on the show, so that
Start
helps.
pitching now. Be like, these are my powers. This is how I fit in the room.
Seriously, no, really.
You'd be good on Legends. They need more girls.
Yeah.
Oh, that's true. Yeah. It's nice guys on Legends. Yeah, I love that show. It's so fun. It makes me like belly laugh when I watch it. And also, Katie Lotz is like really one of my greatest inspirations. And every time that I work with her, I learn so much. Like not only about how to do our job, but just like about to like how to be just like a strong person who's good at what. I mean, she's amazing. So that would be a dream. Yeah.
So which time period has become the more fun for you or the more interesting for you? The future or the present?
That's like that. So fun and interesting are sort of fun-wise the future, because it's so different to what we normally do. And when you play the same character for this many years, you know, it's great to have something that really is a change-up. And no, that would be interesting. Because it's not as fun in the future, because the makeup sucks. Fun-wise, the present. Interesting-wise, the future. Yeah.
What can you tease about what we can expect from Dinah's arc this year?
Well, to be honest, I don't know where she ends the season, which is the interesting thing about doing film versus or television versus film, because you don't really know. You're kind of going in blind. But I think, from what I know, she's coming into herself, and because she's always been so sort of torn, and there's always been this duality between, am I a vigilante, am I a police officer? I hope that she sort of settles into that resolve, and she finds her place.
Like, we're building into Crisis, which is going to be like the biggest thing that this has ever done. Is there anybody that you are optimistic, a lot hopeful that you get to kind of get a scene to do with? Like, because it's going to be so many people from across the entire industry.
I get a scene with Ruby Rose. I'm sorry, somebody's recording on this. Well, that tells you right there. I will need a Xanax. Yeah, that would be pretty great. Yeah, I've been a fan for a while.